Thank you so much for joining us into another beautiful trading session. For those that don't know who I am, my name is Guna. So I've been trading for over 3 years now. And what I do in my live streams, especially my YouTube page, is I share with you guys as much information pertaining to price action. And I give you guys any trading ideas or opportunities that I personally believe in and am interested to take on the day. So with that interesting guys, sit back, relax, and let's get right into today's session. Again, I would like to apologize because I am live streaming again quite late, almost 10:30. I want to make sure I live stream today because yesterday I didn't live stream for you guys, and I'm very sorry. Yesterday was special day. Uh, so today also I went out jalan-jalan. We got Deepali is coming nearby lah. So you guys understand lah. I was at one Utama, so I just got back. Why is this hair so naughty? Can you guys see? Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Can I see? See? What the fuck? Look at that! What's going on? It's like a horn. Can I mind lah? Let's rock with it. Okay, now it's good. Okay, now it's good. Okay. Okay, so sit back, relax. There are quite a few opportunities that is about to happen in the markets today. I missed one because I saw it in one Utama. I even told my wife about it, but I didn't enter because I like to be very focused when I enter because it is money, right? We can either lose money or we can win money. I don't mind losing, but I really do mind losing if I'm not focused. So that's one thing. All right. So I will start with Forex first because Forex has a lot of opportunities right now. Euro USD is one of the opportunities that I didn't get an opportunity. This one is not I missed. Okay, there was a zone that was created. This is bullish opportunity. Today is Asia session that kicked in. I was hoping for price to actually come back inside this level, either during Asia or London. If you guys watch carefully, this is Asia, this is London. Price never came even close to my entry opportunity. So this one, I will not enter this opportunity, but still just thankful that we were able to analyze that the market is more bullish and is moving towards the upside. All right. So this is me just wait because we do have more opportunities. AUD I am sensing a very good bearish opportunity, and it's actually about to happen also. I may or may not enter this. It depends. If until by 12 o'clock, I want to see like if price already show me something or not. If not, means I won't enter. So price already break through this level, and right now we are about to retest it. So I prefer to see price trade a little bit inside, and then I would like to see a move towards the downside. So that is for AUD USD. I'm just waiting right now. See, this move up is something I'm very interested in, and I'm just waiting. Okay, essentially, I'm just looking at price, prioritizing AUD/USD. So this one I put up for potential sell. I'm focusing on sales. Euro NZD. Okay, so this is the opportunity that I missed up. This is a very beautiful opportunity, guys. Okay, that I was here. No, I saw in the smaller time frames. I just show you guys in 15. Easier to see. No need to go in 5 all. So here, okay, the entry point was here. If you want me to be exact, all right, the entry point is this level here. Okay, this candle here. If we were to enter in this candle here, stops right now, we would already almost be 1 to 2, guys. 1 to 2 is just here. Okay, we already reached more than 1 to 1.5 already. Of course, I won't be putting all the way to this. You guys understand. I usually go 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. Okay, so my 1 to 2 is really right here. Look at how close it already went to 1 to 2. And I still believe the price will be moving towards the upside. But guys, I'm not advising you guys to enter this. Remember, because I also personally am not entering this, even though I have a belief. Okay, I can be wrong. Remember this, I can be wrong. I have a belief that price is still interested to move towards the upside, and I do have an ultimate target here, which I believe price wants to go and take out for a certain form of liquidity. Another thing we have to look out for is how powerful this bearish candle is popping out. Another thing, another key thing to look out for. So I could be wrong. Price could definitely do this. Okay, price can definitely do this. Definitely. This is live markets, guys. So we cannot 100% predict how the market will move, but what we can do is learn to adapt as how the market flows. Hi, teacher, almost TP. Woo, yeah, almost TP, but I didn't enter this. Because I like to be very focused when I enter. I don't want to simply play and enter. It's something I learned throughout the years of losing. That's what I learned. Because trust me, guys, from getting every opportunity, you should be happy you're able to understand and find the opportunity that matters to you. Because once you're able to do that, you can do it again and again and again. So you don't really feel you, yeah, this opportunity gone already lah. You won't feel that because it's not something that happened once in a blue moon. You can find it again and again as long the market provides it to you. You just need to know what are you looking for. That's it. Okay, so that's what helped me not feel too bad about missing out opportunities lah. Okay, last week I never missed any opportunity. Okay, this week two already, second one already so far. First one is because my fault, I sleep in, but yeah, okay. Okay, NZDGPY, I am essentially right now focusing on the selling opportunity. So what am I looking for? Same thing, guys, nothing different. I want to wait for price to come back inside this level, maybe trade a little bit, and then move towards the downside. So this is what I'm expecting, but of course, I don't see an opportunity to enter today. Probably tomorrow I might see that, but it depends because tomorrow is already Friday. So I don't like trading on New York session during Friday, considering that the market closes over the weekend, and then we will have like the swap fees and all right. So I don't like those swap fee stuff. So what I what is the criteria? I would enter this trade. Huh? Okay, right now is already New York session already. Let's say right Asia, either Asia or maybe the start of Asia tomorrow, price is already in this level. Or Asia session, price move the level inside here. No problem. Okay, either one, like, at least during Asia, price is already trading inside of this zone. And I start to see respect during London or pre New York. Okay, if I see that happen, then only I would consider to enter for a selling opportunity, but I will not target these levels. I will go 1 to 2. Okay, so essentially I will go 1 to 2 because the market will be closing soon, and I am a trader that really do not like swap fees. I don't like swap fees. It's not because swap fees is so bad. It's because I have a very specific risk management plan, and that percentage, because I focus a lot on the percentage, it will really mess up that percentage and the outcome of what I know can happen based on backtesting data. It will affect it a lot, in my opinion only. Okay, so if I know like within, I don't know, 3 months time, what is the RR, or what is the percentage gain I'm supposed to see, and then these swap fees and everything is not included to that outcome, so it will mess up with that result. So I don't like that, and I don't mind losing off a trade just because of swap fees, because I know I can find other ones. All right. So that's just me lah. So this is for NZDGPY. This is what I'm expecting. EuroCAD. EuroCAD is a potential good, very good bullish opportunity based on my personal opinion only. Based on smaller time frames, I'm not seeing an entry criteria yet. Yeah, personally, I'm not seeing an entry criteria yet lah. Okay, I do see bullish momentum, but I would personally like to see price come back inside a little bit and trade, because price never really trade inside. Of course, guys, forgive me, I'm simply drawing. Price won't look like this. If you look like this, just run away. Don't trade, run away. Okay, essentially like this lah. I make it a bit pretty. Okay, essentially price, I wanted to see trade a little bit inside prior to moving towards the upside. Again, this is just personal preference. We literally can just trace the moment price come inside of this level. We can do that definitely, but the risk to reward won't be as pretty. So 1 to 1.2, if that's okay for you, okay, fine, awesome guys. Okay, but for me personally, I would like to see certain things happen prior to potentially taking a 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 trade. So essentially, again, guys, this is not my entry. Huh? I'm just showing you my bias. EuroCAD, I'm focusing on buys. Euro JPY is another potential bullish opportunity. So this one is okay. Okay, the bias is quite stable, but I would personally, same thing, like to see when price come inside this level, how is price respecting? Is bulls really going to be present and push price higher or not? Because other than seeing the zone, other than seeing bias towards the upside, other than all of this, all right, if I turn this off, if I take this away, focus on this part. Okay, focus on my cursor, guys. All right, just focus on my cursor. Look, okay, up, down. Draw a line in your mind As I move it slow, okay? Straight line down, straight line, straight line down, straight line, straight line down, straight line down, straight line. So actually, I can just do this. I don't know why I did that to you guys. I'm sorry. Okay, so essentially, we are moving in the same area. Okay, ever since 13th of October, it's not very long ago. Okay, 3 days ago, all the way up to today. You see, this is the high from this level. You see the line? This is the high. This is the low. We are kind of consolidating as of now, in my opinion, from this section here, we are considered consolidating. So price is neither moving really high or moving low. So that is why I say the bias is showing more bullish momentum. So there's a bullish opportunity. Your zone is also being created. However, it will depend on what price do after price come inside the zone. If I'm seeing potential bulls, if I'm seeing price come inside and trade a little bit, and then I see bulls start to kick in, then okay, I will focus on buying opportunities. But nevertheless, I won't see an opportunity today, I'm sure, possibly by tomorrow. If not, next week. So that's for Euro JPY. I'm focusing on buys. USD JPY. Okay, this is a potential bearish opportunity. So it's not ready yet. Okay, almost. I know it may seem like already, not yet. This is the break here. I'm essentially waiting for price to come back. Okay, so same thing. I don't think price will do that by today. Most probably early by tomorrow if it gives us the opportunity lah. Okay, it can happen like Euro USD. See, it almost came inside the zone. Okay, I thought during Asia or London, it didn't. Asia or London just stayed above the level and then we move higher. Now means I would have entered this buy. That could definitely happen. Okay, what I'm expecting. Sorry, we were talking about this. Hey, sorry, we were talking about this one. So what am I expecting? I am expecting either Asia or London to actually push price inside this level prior to a move towards the downside. That may or may not happen. It really depends on what the market wants to give us or not. To be honest, we can even see this happen. This can happen also. This zone can be demolished. That's why we do not enter just because price comes inside of a level. We will wait and see how the market is reacting based on that zone. If I'm seeing bears, if I'm seeing the certain things I would like to see, especially based on smaller time frame, the way how I trade, then only I will enter for side. Okay, all of this is just mapping and waiting for price to give us what we want to see. AUD CAD. So this one is a great bearish opportunity, very good one, but there is no zone. I'm not seeing a potential clear zone. I thought I saw one, but it wasn't clear enough for me, so I won't consider it as a zone. I don't want to simply, like I said, sorry, guys. I am quite tired also because we've been walking for so long. It's jalan, 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 jalan. Okay, so I do see a potential zone, but it isn't as clear for me. So I don't like to give you guys simply predictions because I really want you guys to learn. I honestly want you guys to focus on the direction that I'm telling and then see how price will react to certain zone. At least you guys have a clear picture. Okay, gonna say in this level, this zone level, something may happen. I'm not asking you guys to enter. That is not my purpose. Everything I share in my live stream has nothing to do with you guys entering trades. Okay, please do not get me wrong. I only am sharing the zones. I'm sharing the possibility of where I believe price is going to go for you to learn. I really want you guys all to succeed as traders. I know you are a trader inside. Okay, you just have to find it. It took me really a long time through very difficult path. I'm not saying your path will be very easy. Who knows? It could be if you try. It could be. But everybody path is unique. That's what I can say. I'm also still learning, guys. Regardless, I'm also still learning, and I hope when I share, my bias. Okay, I think it's going up. It's going down. I sharing with you guys what price action is telling. What at least I think price action is telling. It can help you guys out. It can really teach you guys, a thing or two about understanding market bias so that it will really help you out in your trading journey. Everyone deserves to win. I know everybody can. Definitely everybody can. You just need to put in a bit of work, okay? You guys got this one. Okay, Euro AUD, guys. So this one is a great bullish opportunity. Same thing, all right? Same thing like AUD CAD. I'm waiting for zone. I personally do not think I'll be able to get an entry opportunity for Euro AUD or AUD CAD. Is it now? Yeah, AUD CAD. Considering today is already Thursday, tomorrow is Friday, and I have a very specific criteria to only enter trades during early London, okay, or pre-New York. Pre-New York, so really, really, really depends if I see very good opportunity or not, because I don't like swap fee. But I will update you guys tomorrow to our last live stream of this week lah, before we go into a brand new week. So let's see, Euro AUD or AUD CAD, will we have an opportunity or not by tomorrow? USD CAD, guys, the last one for forex side. This is a very good bullish opportunity, but I'm still waiting for zone. So the opportunity is there, the bias is there, but market is not showing me enough signs that he want to move up. Another thing to focus on. You guys can see it already by now. Turn this off. It's off. I think I accidentally draw this here. Okay. Delete this. What do you see? Take your time. I think you guys know lah. We are moving in a sideways momentum. Do we trade sideways momentums, guys? No. Do we like sideways momentums? Yes and no. Why yes? Because we know eventually we will get a very amazing push towards the upside or towards the downside. Another example I can show you. Okay, it happened to us here. Right? I remember this one because we predicted for buying opportunity, but none of the zones held. But we still move in the correct direction. Okay, but for any OCD people, okay, there we go. Sideways, 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 push all the way up, push all the way up. See, then we continuously run. Okay, focus on. From here, we managed to push all the way towards this side. I'm not saying this would be an entry, but I'm just showing you. Okay, just showing you. Why here SL is because this is the lowest range of the sideway. Okay, basically there was a level supporting price, not allowing price to go lower than this. So that's why the SL is here. All right. See how high? Almost 1 to 3. Okay, very good as well. Almost a 1 to 3, but this is a very wide range of an SL. Okay, but still almost 1 to 3. Consider very good one, right? So after a sideways momentum, we will see huge momentum moves towards the upside or downside. So as of now, I am seeing more bulls. I really am seeing more bulls. So probably I will see this breakout happen either by, usually I will understand it is by Thursday or Friday. Okay, this is just what the way how I experience the market. So since Thursday I'm not seeing anything happen yet, probably we might see the market shift or make a breakout towards tomorrow lah, a Friday. But it will depend also during which session. So if you focus carefully, guys, let me show you something. Okay, I'll just show you something here. Okay, so this is just a very brief understanding of the support level. Okay, there is a support level here. I know there's some traders don't like to trade support levels. I understand. Okay, anything that floats your boat, guys. As long as if you don't trade support and resistance, fine. Does it help you or not? Okay, fine. I personally, I don't use support and resistance. I use my own personal modified zones. Okay, but in this example, I just want to draw a support level to tell you guys what I can understand. Okay, since price is already moving in the sideways direction, you realize every time a price come to this level, we're starting to see move towards the upside. Does that mean that, oh Guna, does that mean I must buy every time a price come inside of this level? No, no, that is gambling. All right. So what I'm telling is my prediction, if Friday, which I think either Thursday or Friday, market tend to break out of a sideways momentum if it wants to lah during this week. Like last week one when I show you, not last week, last 2 week one. This one not 1 week if I'm not mistaken. This is Friday, say Friday. Okay. Okay lah, 1 week lah, within this 1 week. Okay, within this 1 week, and then it broke up. So that may be happening as of now. We started this sideways from Tuesday. So probably if we want to, tomorrow we might see a breakout if bulls are still interested after we come back to this level. Since this is the level that we're starting to see bulls come in the market, right? So probably after we reach around this level range, we will start to see that bullish power kick in. This is just my prediction. Am I going to enter just because of that? No. I still wait for zones. I'm a zone guy. You guys know that. So is there a zone? Yes, there is one right now. Here. I be very specific. Okay, this is my zone. Let me remove this support resistance level. This is my zone right now. Price is currently touching the zone. So it will truly depend on what I see and understand if really bulls are going to kick in or not. Again, this is not my entry. This is just my bias. Show you guys I'm focusing on buys towards this level. I'm just here now waiting for price to come inside a more. This is not enough. This is just tapping. Trade a little bit inside the zone and then show me bullish momentum for me to enter a bullish buying opportunity. All right, traders. So that's it for the forex side. Just to recap, AUD USD, I'm focusing on sales. Euro USD, I'm focusing on buys. Euro NZD, I am focusing on buys. NZD JPY, I am focusing on sales. EuroCAD, I am focusing on buys. Euro JPY, I'm focusing on buys. USD JPY, I'm focusing on sales. EuroCAD, not yet ready. Euro AUD, not yet ready. USD CAD, I'm focusing on buys. Okay, so that's my forex side. Crypto side, this is a trading opportunity that I personally entered yesterday. I may exit it. Okay, the reason being is because market is a bit slow for the crypto side personally. Just personal opinion. You see Solana lucky I got out already. Look at it. It went to SL range already. Currently, right now we're bearish now. Initially we're bullish. So I posted this on my story. Let me show you. Mm, where are you? Where are you? Let me find it, guys. Give me a moment. This is the one. Let me make sure you guys can see it. This is the one. So I closed off this one already. Okay. It went really high. No, it went up to 300 plus percent, almost 400%. I got this screenshot also. Yeah, this is the hold on there. Okay. So this was the highest it went. 394.15%. Okay. Almost 400%. It never reached my TP level yet. Almost reached my TP level, as you can see. Actually, the time when I take the screenshot, it was here. It already come down now. So from here means it's 400 plus already. I still would not have closed, to be honest. I will like to hold because if everything still aligns for bullish momentum, I will still hold. To be honest, when price was coming down this level, it was still aligned to bullish momentum. I just personally, based on my experience in trading, I understood based on back testing. If I were to see a zone, if I were to see an area of entry, if I enter, how long usually would I be in the trade? This is also something you have to track. So usually I will be around maybe a couple of hours lah, sometimes 10 hours, okay, 6 hours, 12 hours. But if it's more than that, something is off for me. That means it's not the bulls are not strong enough or bears are not strong enough to push price towards the target level, or maybe they're not interested in that liquidity as of now. Because if they're really interested, they have no issue to push price higher or lower. It's just personally, okay, based on my own study, based on my own understanding of my strategy. That is why when I saw price to come down, I closed off. Again, I'm very happy I closed off because of not means it would have been a loss. So currently we are bearish right now, but I didn't see much of a entry opportunity lah. Okay, for Solana. However, for Dogecoin, there is. I entered this yesterday also. Same concept. Okay, I entered yesterday. We went low, and right now we came back, and then now we again moving down. So I may or may not hold this. It depends because I need to understand based on how long I'm already holding this trade, understand how market is behaving. Am I seeing sideways momentum? Am I seeing bears really still interested or not? All of this I will reanalyze again and then use other cryptocurrencies to understand the potential buyers, okay, of where we are moving. If I see we are still moving down, I will personally hold. I can show you guys also. I'm currently holding transparency, everything, right? But yeah, I need to download the screenshot. Okay. Just now it was 50%. Right now it's 33.34. Just now it's 50%. So it's also dropping in the this one. Wait, Okay, can you guys see it? So this is the one I'm actually entered in. Okay, this is Dogecoin. So right now 33.34% in profits. I was at 50. Bear in mind, I was at 50. I think the highest event was 60, almost 70. Earlier was 50. Right now it's 33.34. So you see right now it's moving down, right? So probably we will go a little bit more. I'll take a screenshot to show you guys, huh? Okay, right now it's 30, 35. Okay, show you guys. Transparency, I can show you guys as old screenshot also, so I want to show you guys, see the price is changing. Okay, so yeah, there. This was just now I show you, 33, 34. Okay, same one, huh? I changed the photo to best. 30, 35.31. So it is moving based on, you see that red candle right now. Okay, so as long as it goes lower, my percentage will go higher. So I will consider either this candle, or by the way, guys, this candle. So I will consider either to hold or not. It depends later what I see in the market. All right, so that's for Dogecoin. BTC, I see a bearish opportunity, but this is not yesterday. Today I saw this from the day this zone was created, basically on Monday. Okay, Monday during the New York session, it created the zone, and then price didn't really come back inside of this level. Almost same concept like Euro USD. See Asia, London, we were below this level, so we never come inside the zone. I had an alarm here. You guys can see it. Oh, no, like guys, I never set alarm for BTC. Cancelled it actually. I'm not sure if cancel it will show here or not. Will it show here? Because this one is if it cross means, but I cancel. I'm not sure how I can show you guys lah. But I remember I got set an alarm though. I remember I got set alarm for BTC, but it never triggered, so I just canceled it off. And then I also cancelled off for this one. Where was it? It was Euro also. Yeah, I don't know how to see that. If you guys know me, you guys can teach me. I'm not. Is it logs? Is it logs? I also don't know. It's all crossing. All of this is crossing one. Yeah, it's not logs also. Yeah, if you guys know me, teach me. How I can see like maybe my history. Like even if I cancel, they will show me. So then I can know which one I cancel and all. No, you can help me out with my data when I do back testing. All right. So yeah, so guys, that's from the crypto side now. Essentially, I'm just focusing on Dogecoin right now. I'm not focusing on anything else. Solana, I'm not focusing on. ETH is actually a good bearish opportunity, but not yet ready, in my opinion. Personal opinion only. I don't see the opportunity arising yet, but I am focusing mostly on bearish as of now. But that may change tomorrow depending on who is currently in control. Right now, bears, but not strong enough. Okay, basically bulls and bears are right now fighting, and I don't see who is more dominant in the market for ETH. Only Dogecoin is the clearest. I see bears are dominant. They are currently present, but at the same time not strong enough, considering I did enter this around here. Okay, uh, Wednesday I did enter this, but then price around the same level still until now. So later I will do some more understanding backtesting, and then I will see if I want to focus on holding or just close off. So AUD we are back inside the zone. So the thing I don't really like is how strong this candle is. Can you see how the candle come back inside? So this is something to really reconsider. And then we have 3 minutes some more for this candle to close. This does not mean the zone won't hold. This is not the matter. Okay. Even a strong candle, if the zone is valid and if bears or bulls are really present, it will hold no matter what, it will hold. Okay. Because zones, guys, can only be created by very powerful people in the market. Even this scandal is caused by very powerful people. It can be caused by news also. But right now, I doubt the news happening because it's already going to be 11 p.m. Usually news latest also I see 10 lah. 10:30 I think got also. But 11 onwards, so I don't see news happening, especially from the US side since it's this AUD USD, and AUD sure won't have lah around this time. So I do not consider this as a news, but maybe there's some sort of big player lah, that is entering the market as of now. So I'm still bearish personally. I not yet enter this. I will wait and see how price will start to react. I really like seeing how price come back inside. The only thing I don't like is how strong price is coming back inside. So smaller time frame you can see very powerful bullish momentum. Okay. So only if I see bears present, if I see price do what? One of it. Show bears, I will focus on sells. Okay? Sells to where? Of course, I have an ultimate. Am I going to focus ultimate? No. Because why? Today is Thursday already, guys. I'll go 1 to 3 this one. Because this is a great bearish opportunity as of now, depending if the zone hold or not. Because we also had a very good example of bearish opportunity. Yeah, I cannot remember which pair it was. Okay, but I made a shorts lah about it. YouTube shorts, you guys can watch it. I saw price. I will tell you guys I'm focusing on bearish momentum. Okay, watch out for how price will react inside the zone. What price did price went above? Okay, trade until a little bit higher, and then we start to shoot all the way towards the downside. This is the beauty of not entering the trade blindly or not entering the moment price comes inside the zone. This is the beauty. I very rarely now get wigged up, not because of skill. It is because of strategy. Strategy is not the way how I trade, like, oh, because I do this, do this, no. Because I wait. Because I don't enter the moment price comes at the zone. It means nothing to me. It is part of the criteria, but it means nothing to me. When it comes inside the zone, what he will do is important. I will only enter if I start to see what? Bears kick in. Basically, I'm following the trend, guys. Okay. So price come inside. If price start to move low like this, I won't enter. Okay. Price start to move higher, of course I won't enter. But price trade a little bit and then go higher a bit or whatever, and then we start to see a shift down, then I will enter. I will find the entry opportunity, then I will focus on selling opportunity. That's why I say this is not my entry. Okay, I will focus on 1 to 3, but this is not my entry. This is just my bias so that you guys will have more visual understanding. I'm focusing on sales. Alright, I am focusing on sales. I definitely will be still focusing on sales even though this big candle. It really depends right now when bears are going to kick in or if they're going to kick in today. If not, tomorrow. I will make sure I wake up early tomorrow to trade this one. Because, guys, believe it or not, this week I never enter any forex pairs, guys. I enter only for crypto side. It was okay, not bad. Okay, still doing okay. But how to say? For I think because Deepali, because I was a little bit busy, focusing on cleaning the house, right? So I never entered the forex side. Last week, all very nicely we eaten. The market gave us very well last week. I'm very thankful for that. This week had opportunities I personally missed out. I slept off on one. This one I purposely choose not to because I'm outside. I don't like to do that. I paid the price very heavily many years because of that. So as of now, I'm just going to be waiting. Primarily, guys, I'm focusing on AUDUSD. Just letting you guys know, because only price is currently inside of the level. Okay. Now what I'm doing, waiting based on smaller time frame to understand when a bear is going to kick in for potential selling opportunity. If price goes above this range, I won't be focusing on sales. I will wait for another zone to form prior to entering selling opportunity. All right, traders. So I hope today's live stream was insightful for you as it was for me. I want to go and take a nice cold shower. I know you guys say hot shower, no, cold shower is the best. All right, now I want to just chill, relax, and then welcome another brand new day tomorrow. All right, I will update you guys in every opportunity that I share. Let's see which zones get respected for potential entry opportunity, and if I enter, I will share with you guys tomorrow. All right, if I not, also I will share with you guys tomorrow. I won't sleep in, I promise. Okay, I will make sure I wake up early to check out this trading opportunity. Alright guys, stay safe traders. I appreciate every single one of you that joined the live stream. If you guys would like to learn how I give out my predictions, how I personally trade, how I understand the markets in such a way, you guys can consider to apply for my 6 week trading program, which I do have my WhatsApp link in the description below. Basically, you just can click the link, reach out to me, and then clarify about the program. Essentially, it's just me taking a trading journey with you. It does not matter if you have any experience in the market or not. If you don't have experience, it's better, in my opinion, because you come with an empty cup, so very easy to absorb things. Within 6 week time, everything that I do, right, all of my analysis, how I draw the zones, how I understand who is in control, where is my entry, what is my risk management, all of this you guys will be able to understand within 6 weeks time. To be honest, you can do live stream also after 6 weeks time if you focus. Alright? And the classes are taught all live based on live podcasts. I don't really have any pre-recorded videos. I like to teach you guys live. So every session will be interesting lah, based on my student who I have. She said she enjoyed it. Okay, so I'm pretty sure you guys will too if you guys have passion for trading. So if it sounds interesting, you guys can reach out to me. I have my WhatsApp link in the description below. And I would also like it if you guys can consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, which we are growing. Okay, we have quite a few new subscribers to the channel. Welcome every single one of you. I appreciate every one of you who have joined in, and welcome to our mini YouTube family that is growing. And also guys, do consider giving a like on this video, which will help my channel and this video grow and reach out to as many traders out there as possible. With that being said, I give back the time to you guys, and I'll catch you all in the very next live stream. Stay safe, traders. Very good night. Goodbye, guys.